Hi beauties, today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. This is what I do for some self-care, and I really am into taking care of my skin these days because for the most part I don't wear makeup regularly, so I just want to make sure that my skin is well taken care of. If you follow me on Instagram, you have been seeing my skincare journey lately. So I'm using the same products that I've been using for the last few months, and I'm going to walk you through step by step what I do. So even though I am not wearing makeup today, I'm going to start off by cleansing the skin with my micellar water just for the purposes of this video. This is the one by Garnier Skin Active, and it removes waterproof makeup. It's for all skin types and there's no harsh rubbing. I really like this because it's oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free. So it's just, a really good option if you have sensitive skin to remove any buildup that's on the skin before you go in with your cleanser. So next I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collection Clean Skin Gel Cleanser, and I'm using this today on the Duval Radiance Spin Care System on their cleansing brush because I really like to get once or twice a week a nice deep clean on my skin, and this also exfoliates the skin. So the cleanser is a very gentle cleanser, but when I use it on the brush, it's a little bit more of a deep clean feel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've heard me talk about the Sephora Collection skincare line for a little while now. I'm really enjoying the line. The ingredients in the products are about 99% from natural origin. So the gel cleanser has aloe in it, and it says it's derived from natural amino acids to maintain skin hydration. And I really do feel like this is like the perfect cleanser for me because it doesn't dry out my skin too much, but it's gentle and it just really gets the job well done. So I also had to wet the brush a little bit more because I felt like the product wasn't foaming up enough to really get that deep clean feel. Overall, I do like the Radiance Spin Care System. I think that this brush was a little bit harsh for my face, but nothing too crazy. It didn't leave my skin red or anything like that. So next I'm just going to pat dry my face, and then I'm going to go in with my toner. The toner that I use is the Thayers Witch Hazel Rose Petal formula. It's alcohol free, it's not too harsh on the skin, and I just apply it onto a cotton round and then press it into the skin, and it leaves your skin really soft and moisturized. So it wouldn't be a self-care video without a mud mask, right? I'm going in with this Sephora Zinc Purifying Mud Mask. I like to apply this on the skin using a foundation brush, and I just brush it all along the skin, and then I wait until it's completely dry. And you can tell if it's dry by it turning like a light gray color, and it'll feel a little tighter on your skin. But I like this one because it is not super tight, like it won't burn your skin. I've tried other mud masks that I truly feel like my skin is kind of burning. I don't know, maybe it's something that was in it, but not this one. So while I wait for the mud mask to dry, I just wanted to say thank you to Duval for sending me their Radiance Spin Care System. And I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about it. So the system comes with 4 brushes. The cleansing brush that I use, an exfoliation brush for the face. Then it also comes with this pumice stone that you can use on your feet. And it also comes with this body brush that you could use in the shower because the system is waterproof. So I've actually used this in the shower. I like it for exfoliating my dead skin on my arms and my legs. I really like the design of this product. I really like the feel of it. The only thing I wish is that it had two settings, like a low spin and a high spin. That's the only thing I think would make it a little gentler for my face. So the other thing that I like to do while I'm waiting for my mud mask to dry is dry brushing my skin. And this is a technique that I like to use specifically for exfoliating, but it has tons of benefits. Stimulating the lymphatic drainage, it boosts your circulation, exfoliates your skin. It can also reduce cellulite and offers both stress relief and invigoration. I just feel like it takes my skincare to another level. So once the mud mask is completely dry, I like to take a damp washcloth and just wash away the mud mask. Then I just grab my dry washcloth and pat dry my face. And you want to pat dry so that you're not rubbing the skin and irritating it. Next, I just go in again with the Thayers Witch Hazel, and I use this to tone the skin again and just clean up any residue that might have been left on the skin from the mud mask. So next I like to go in with the Sephora Collection Super Ultra Glow Serum with vitamin C and E. I really like this for a natural glow and a really hydrated feel, but it's not too oily. And I just like to pat this into the skin and then really let it absorb into the skin before I do the next steps. Next, I'm applying my Sephora Brightening Eye Cream. I love this. It hydrates, it depuffs, it's made with caffeine, it's natural, and your girl got some crazy bags. I was born with bags under my eyes, but having these babies and not getting enough sleep and trying to do all the things doesn't help. So, whatever help I can get in that department, I'm definitely going to take it. So I've gotten a lot of questions about this on my Instagram. This is a rose quartz roller. And what this does is it improves your blood circulation, your skin tone, the elasticity of your skin, lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, wrinkles, and dark under eye circles. It eliminates toxins and it tightens and reduces your pore size. So, what I like to do is I put this in the refrigerator, and then after I apply all of my products, I then use this to roll in upward motions. Anything that has to do with your face or your skin, you want to go in upward motions because, gravity is pulling everything down. And I just really love how this gives you that like spa kinds of facial vibe. And the coldness of it really feels good on your skin. So for the purpose of the video, I sped it up, but as you can see, I actually take my time doing the roller because I just feel like it feels as if I'm taking my skincare to another level. So I just really like to take my time when I'm using the roller. Next, I'm going in with my moisturizer, which is the Sephora All Day Hydrator. And this is a hydrating and glow moisturizer. I really like this for the summertime. Don't forget to take care of the skin on your neck as well, ladies. That's where the first signs of aging show. So you really want to start from a young age, even if you don't have any wrinkles, just, moisturize that neck. And of course, don't forget to go in an upward motion. And that's it, guys. This is my complete skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. It helps me greatly. Don't forget to check out Duval's website. I'm going to link it below for you guys, as well as a coupon code that they gave me if you're interested in checking out the Radiance Skin Care System and their other products. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.